guys, in today's video, we're taking a look at Ethereum Classic. We have a green day in the market right now. All coins are pumping, Ethereum Classic included. Ethereum Classic is one of the huge gainers in the market today. ApeCoin is up 23%. Matic is up 19%. We have Ethereum Classic right here, up 20%. In this video, we'll be looking at the Ethereum Classic US dollar price chart. Ethereum Classic is currently ranked number 24 on CoinMarketCap right now. It has a market cap of $3 billion. We're looking at Ethereum Classic performance against the US dollar. Should we be buying more right now? Has Ethereum Classic hit resistance? Should we get more in the bear market rally that is happening right now? We're looking at Ethereum Classic performance against Bitcoin. It's performing really well. Do you want to be flipping your Bitcoin for some Ethereum Classic? We'll be talking about that and more. We'll also look at Ethereum Classic performance against the original Ethereum, and then we'll look at Ethereum Classic market cap chart. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you don't get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Kicking up today's video, guys, in the last 1 year, Ethereum Classic is down 41.3%, but there's good news. In the last 1 month, it's up 59.8%. In the last 1 week, it's up 53.4%. Even in the last 1 day, Ethereum Classic is up 20%. So to the $1 million question, should we be buying some more Ethereum Classic right now? Will you be comfortable holding some Ethereum Classic through the bear market? Currently, Ethereum Classic is currently trading for $23.21. In the last 1 month, it has gone as high as $23.21 and as low as $12.60. Ethereum Classic is ranked number 24 on CoinMarketCap. We have 135 million Ethereum Classic in circulation. We represent 64% of the maximum supply. Do you want to hold some Ethereum Classic through the bear market? This is the Ethereum Classic US dollar price chart from 2021 till 2022. Ethereum Classic found its top right here in 2021 at $160. It got to high as $180 on some exchanges, and since then Ethereum Classic dropped more than 92% in 409 days. Crazy dumps. But right now we're experiencing a pump in the altcoin market, Ethereum Classic included, and we have seen that from the bottom of Ethereum Classic that came in right here on the 18th of June 2022. Guys, Ethereum Classic is pumping. Ethereum Classic has pumped over 79%. Should you be adding more Ethereum Classic to your portfolio right now, or do you want to be selling into the pumps? You want to be careful. The last time we had a major pump in Ethereum Classic like this was in March, entering April 2022, where Ethereum Classic went up 170% in just 13 days. And guys, what happened after that? We went to gobbling down. Ethereum Classic dumped another 70%. So you want to be careful right now. Instead of buying these green candles, you don't want to be buying green dildos. We always advise people on this channel, you want to buy when the market is down. The last update we did for Ethereum Classic was still trading in this region right here around less than $16. That was the best time to buy Ethereum Classic if you wanted to enjoy this relief rally. And we're definitely seeing a relief rally in the altcoin market, but you don't want to FOMO back in. We're not going back to all-time highs. Yes, we might pump high, we might continue pumping from where we are right now. But guys, if you want to get in, you want to wait for that pullback. You don't want to be buying green candles, hoping that to continue pumping. Because guys, let's look at the situation. If you're buying Ethereum Classic at $22 right now, you'll be hoping to sell at maybe $40, $45. And these are the key levels you want to be looking out for Ethereum Classic during the bear market, so you'll not be deceived by any pump you see Ethereum Classic having. From the all-time high Ethereum Classic set in 2021 at around $161 to the low we set here in June 2022. If you don't use the Fibonacci extension tool, you go to the top of that bull run to the bottom of the current bear market we are right now. We don't know whether Ethereum Classic will set another low, but right now we have to take the low we have, which is around $12.6. If you use the Fibonacci retracement tool, you can see that the important level for Ethereum Classic for us to pass is that $48 region. That region, price has interacted with that region quite a number of times. You can see when we started pumping to new all-time highs in April 2021, we got stopped out in that region. When we started dumping, that was the first region we had a bounce, and when we couldn't hold that level, we started showing signs of going to gobbling town. Even when before we went to gobbling town, we chilled in that level, we consolidated, and when we had that relief rally in March entering April 2022, we still went there, and that was where we got rejected. So right now, are we going to get to $48? Or are we even going to get rejected off this $24 region? Because right now, if Ethereum Classic doesn't pass $24, all this hype and all this bullishness is nothing to write home about. Because from the all-time high, from where Ethereum Classic is right now, we still need Ethereum Classic to pump another 600%. So are we going straight into new all-time highs? Is the bear market over? You want to look at Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin has not really showed us the signal whether the bear market is over. So it's nice to see we have a green day in the crypto market. Guys, drop a thought in the comment section. Will you start buying some Ethereum Classic right now? Do you think the bottom is over? Or do you think this is just a bear trap? A bear wants to trap as many bulls as possible for them to buy at higher prices so that when we start dumping, they'll get liquidated. Only time will tell if that's what's playing out. But how is Ethereum Classic performing against Bitcoin and against Ethereum? We've already talked about how Bitcoin and Ethereum are the top cryptocurrencies in the market. Bitcoin is ranked number 1. Ethereum is ranked number 2. So if you're holding any altcoin, you want to make sure they're outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. And Ethereum Classic has been doing that of late. In the last 30 days, Ethereum Classic has pumped more than 78% on its Bitcoin pairing. Crazy. But can Ethereum Classic keep up the pace? Can it continue outperforming Bitcoin in the bear market? We know from history that anytime we're in the bear market, a lot of these altcoins lose value against Bitcoin in the bear market. Ethereum Classic, from the all-time high on its Bitcoin pairing, it dumped more than 78% in 402 days. Right now, it's making a comeback. We're having a rally. Can we set new all-time highs? For Ethereum Classic to set new all-time high on its Bitcoin pairing, we have to see Ethereum Classic pump another 180%. Can it do that? It can do that. But guys, that means we're going to go to full-fledged alt season. Is that what's happening right now? Are we experiencing alt season? Or maybe the bottom is in and all of us are still staying bearish while the market is very bullish. Should we be buying right now? Guys, you want to wait for the pullback. You don't want to be buying all these green candles. Anytime you see green dildo, you want to stay clear of it because the market gives so much opportunity for you to buy Ethereum Classic at the lower band right here. But people are scared. Nobody wanted to buy. How is Ethereum Classic performing against Ethereum, the number 1 altcoin? Over the weekend, Ethereum went from as low as 1,100 to as high as 1,400. And in that period in time, we saw a huge rally in Ethereum Classic to actually pump, which is nice to see. Ethereum Classic in the last 2 months have been pumping well against Ethereum. From the bottom that came in for Ethereum Classic right here on the 11th of May 2022, Ethereum Classic is up over 66%. That's what you want to see. But guys, during the bear market, we'll get all these rallies just like we're having right now. Except you believe the bear market is over, which I don't think is happening right now. You want to stay clear of these altcoins. Yes, they have pumped really high. But ask yourself this question. If you're buying them right now, how long can you hold them? If you think you can hold them well enough through the bear market, they can get really lower. Is the bottom in? We saw the US dollar price chart of Ethereum Classic. We can see that Ethereum Classic is down, still down from where we are right now with all the pumps we have had. Ethereum Classic is still down 85% from its all-time high. Will it be a good hold through the bear market? Only time will tell. Ethereum Classic is performing well against Bitcoin. It's performing well against Ethereum right now. All is good. We're singing Kumbaya, but guys, you want to be careful with all coins. All coins are dangerous in the bear market. I'm just saying that warning because you don't want to be caught holding the bag during the bear market because you might be caught holding the bag for years. But Ethereum Classic against Ethereum is at a critical resistance level. If you can break this resistance level, that will be good news for Ethereum Classic, but only time will tell what will happen there. Now, the Ethereum Classic market cap and valuation chart has seen a significant increase. Ethereum Classic market cap is currently at $3.1 billion. At the bottom of this dump, it got to as low as $1.7 billion. That was not good to see. The all-time high Ethereum Classic market cap got to was $18 billion at the top of the bull run. And we lost more than 90% of the market cap during the dump that happened. It took us over 400 days. Is the bottom in? Only time will tell. Ethereum Classic market cap is pumping and we have reached the first resistance level, which is around this $3.2 billion. If we can clear that level, we'll see Ethereum Classic start battling this $4.95 billion region. And if we can clear that level, just maybe, that's when a lot of people start singing Kumbaya. But guys, we had enough opportunity to accumulate Ethereum Classic right here at the bottom. So if you still want to get some, you want to wait for the pullback. You don't want to be buying all these green candles. History has shown that anytime you're aping into this coin shouting up only, we're going to the moon, it does not always end well. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you think Ethereum Classic will go during this bear market rally? Will you be holding through the chaos? Will you be buying more? Or will you be selling into the pump? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.